My friends and I not only meet at school or work, we are always connected. We like to search. We like to take pictures. We like to watch videos. Then, we like to share all these things online. My friends think that is cool. Me too. Life is too short to spend time worrying about security and things like anti-malware, firewalls, and anti-ransomware. Who has time to care about what they do or mean? The only thing I care about is that my files are safe, not hijacked or shared online, or I don't want to think about paying a ransom to some hacker. Is that right? Are they called hackers? Or are they aliens? Who cares? My expert friend bought and installed something called NeuShield for me. I just know I don't have to worry anymore. NeuShield, the first anti-data hijacking software.
Download NeuShield Data Sentinel for free. Get protection for your data today.